Hello friends, good afternoon. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a line connected with the midpoint. The question for today's video reads like this. A line IB 90 millimeter long. So we will write a line here represented as AB and there is a midpoint here. The total length of this line from A to B is 90 mm. The midpoint is 40 mm above HP. Friends, I can simply mark here the point M dash, the front view, at a height of 40 mm. This is 40 mm above this. Extend that line downwards and get this point M, the top view of that, at a distance of 60 millimeter from VP. So these points are given. So we have located the midpoint of the line in the front view and top view. Next friends, there is an end A of this line AB. This end A is 20 mm above HP. So this is 20 mm. So this is the XY line we have got here. We are going to mark the locus of that end A at a distance of 20 mm above HP and is also 25 millimeter in front of VP. So I have located the locus of the end A at a distance of 20 and 25 millimeter from HP and VP respectively. Friends, we have the midpoint, we have the locus of this end, we know the true length of this is totally 50. This AM is going to be half of that 45. Now friends, taking center M dash and radius equal to this 45 millimeter, I am going to draw an arc. Say that arc is cutting here and I will join these friends. This length is going to be 45 millimeter and you are going to get a point here. We'll call that point is A1 dash. Friends, A1 dash M dash is the true length of half of this line, and friends, here I can say this is the angle made by the line with the HP, that is theta, and that can be obtained. Similarly friends, now since you have projection of only half of this, you can extend it further by the same length, that is 45 millimeter, and you obtain the other end of the line, that is called, other is represented by B1 dash, which is also equal to 45 millimeter. So this is the total length of the line, which is equal to 90 mm, and we are able to find out theta, that is the angle made by the line with HP. Friends, by following the same procedure, we can get the true length in the top view. How to obtain? We have the true length of this is 45 ms center and radius equal to 45 millimeter. I draw an arc. It can cut anyway, need not be on this. So this is the other line. I will call this as A1 and this point is M and this total length is equal to 45. So friends, this is the direction of that and you can find out immediately what is the angle made by. So I am going to extend it further by the same distance 45 mm in the downward direction and mark what is called as B1, MB1 or A1 B1 is the true length in the top view, A1 dash B1 dash is the true length in the front view. Friends, you can immediately obtain what is phi. Phi is the angle made by the line with the VP. This can be calculated. Friends, now finally we have to obtain A and B in the front view, A dash and B dash in the top view. How to obtain that, friends? It's very simple. Consider only the right half of the line, that is the true length is M dash B1 dash, here it is M B1. So friends, you know the procedure how to obtain the top view of the line. What I do, friends, I will take this as the center, radius equal to this much. So this is 2 lengths you see. So I will draw a vertical line from there downward till it touches this point, the locus of M. I call this point as 1 with center M and this distance as radius. I am going to try an arc. And this arc intersects the locus of B at this point, which I call it as B. Friends, we have got M, we have got B. Now friends, you can actually extend it further on the vertical line through this, extend further upwards and obtain what is called the point B dash. So this point on this locus of B will give you B dash. Friends, you got M dash B dash is the front view of half the length of the line, and I will join them by straight line. Friends, this will give you the half the length of the front view. Friends, extend the same line in the downward direction. It will meet this locus here at point A dash. So A dash B dash will represent the the front view of the line. It is going to be a straight line. Friends, once you have A dash B dash, getting A and B is not a big issue. So what I do, I have this point A dash, draw a vertical line from there downward. It will cut the locus here. This point is going to be A on the locus of this. Join A and M, further extend it downward. So friends, this when extended downward should meet this B. So remember friends, this AM is equal to MB, A1M is equal to MB1. These two will be same. Friend, this AB will represent the top view of the line. This A dash B dash will represent the front view of the line. Friends, and we are able to find out what is the angle made by the line with the HP, that is theta. Angle made by the line with the VP, as a tool is always, is phi. We are able to find out. This part we have done. Second part says the distance of the NB from HP and VP. B is here. If you can measure the distance between the locus of B and this XY line, this will give you distance of B from HP. How to measure it? We can place a scale between this line and find out the distance. So this can be measured. Similarly, the distance of the NB from VP. B locus is here. So draw a line from there, and the distance between XY and this locus of B will give you distance of B from VP. Keep a scale and measure it. I'll put a tick mark. That can be measured. Finally, he is asking you, what is the distance between end projector? Friends, basically you should know what an end projector is. Any line, an imaginary line, connecting the front view and top view of a line is called an end projector. In this problem, we have two end projectors. One is A dash A. You can extend a line from there. Other end projector is B dash B. This is the other end projector. The distance between these two is represented by DEP. DEP means distance between the end projector, and that's always measured parallel to X. It can be this distance or the distance measured anywhere perpendicular to or parallel to the XY. And friends, this is one of the important questions on the midpoint problem of a straight line. Please go through the complete video, friends. If you like this video, please share the information with all your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do it at the earliest. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.